Improve their learning environment by further capturing your students' attention and interest during your lessons, and allow them to participate at their level. With the WMHS Puffin Wall Mount series, you are literally taking wall mount solutions to another level. This wall-mounted hybrid shuttle version of our standard ProLift stand fits most whiteboards and short-throw projector combinations. You can adjust the height of your whiteboard at the touch of a button with its electric wall-mounted remote. Teachers and students can write on the board without standing on their toes. You can easily add an attachment for interactive boards and projection systems. The Shuttle Wall Mount Hybrid is easy to install but makes a long-lasting impact in your classroom.
My lessons are more engaging because they're all able to take part and I don't need a step for them to be able to reach certain parts of the board. The installation was quick and easy, and the explanation of how to use it once it had been installed was excellent.